Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. As many of you may know, most of the time I work from home. I teach online, I write in my little office that you see me in here. And I don't often go out to meetings or go into town for work or anything. The other day I had to pop into town for a meeting, and I left the house and then got down to the bus stop and realised I didn't have my travel card with me. So I came back, rang on the doorbell, picked up my travel card and started walking back to the bus stop. I then realised that I didn't have my wallet on me either. So I came back, rang the doorbell again, picked up my wallet, at which point my wife said, affectionately, "You're losing your marbles, you are." If you say that someone's losing their marbles, you basically mean that they're starting to forget things, they're starting to get a little bit confused, their mental faculties are starting to go. So maybe you've been that person who walks around the house with their glasses on their head, saying to the rest of your family, "Where's my glasses? Has anyone seen my glasses? I'm sure I put them somewhere," before your kids point out that they're actually on your head. At which point you can respond by saying, "Oh, Jesus, I'm losing my marbles, clearly." Maybe you have elderly relatives who are in their 80s or maybe even in their 90s. And even though they're old, they're still very sharp. They've still got all their faculties. They've still got all their marbles. They haven't started losing their marbles yet. Maybe if someone in your family has a stroke, you might find that after that they start to lose their marbles. And if you've ever witnessed any elderly members of your family starting to develop dementia, it can be particularly horrible to witness people losing their marbles. Obviously, this is a kind of affectionate way of talking about mental decline and the loss of your memory and the sort of start of getting confused. So probably best something that you use to talk about yourself or to talk about others that you're close to, your nearest and dearest. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use lose your marbles.